Planning a day of sightseeing in Berlin, but don't want to drag your luggage with you? RadicalStorage provides an efficient and secure solution to store your bags while you explore the city. In this guide, I'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a Berlin storage point using RadicalStorage, a reliable platform offering secure, insured luggage storage options. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses like cafes, hotels, and shops in Berlin, ensuring your luggage stays safe and fully insured during your visit. While you can search RadicalStorage online, always be cautious of phishing sites. For safety, use the secure link provided in this guide to visit the official RadicalStorage website. Once there, type Berlin into the search bar, and you'll find a list of convenient storage locations across the city. Choose a location near popular landmarks, transit hubs, or areas of interest. Next, select the drop-off and pick-up times that fit your schedule, and proceed with payment. RadicalStorage guarantees secure online transactions, allowing you to book with confidence. After completing your booking, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your selected storage location. When you arrive at your chosen spot, simply show your reference number to the staff, and they'll take care of storing your bags. That's it. You can now enjoy Berlin luggage-free, knowing that your belongings are safely stored with RadicalStorage. If this guide helped you, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.